Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is a channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about personal finance and business finance from time to time. If you're new, please click the subscribe button to get my frequent updates. Also, if you're new, please click that notification bell. Okay, well, today was a bad day in the market. We did have a few stocks that were up, but the stock day did end with Tesla down 1.26%, Nucor down 6.88%. Also, Nvidia shares were down, so it was a great opportunity if you wanted to buy into Nvidia. Okay, so these were some stocks that were down today. Now, let's take a quick look at my Robinhood and see how much we were down there. As you can see, for the day, we're down just 0.78%, so not quite a percent there, but 0.76, so not too bad. And it looked like the day we started off okay, and then as the day went on, we slowly fell out of favor. Okay, but for the last week, when we look at the portfolio, we were up over the last week over 3%. So just really a bad day today. And we'll see if tech stocks will jump back tomorrow. Okay. Now, let's take a quick look at some of the stocks that were up. Amazon was up 1.73%. And let's take another look to see if we had any others. We had Square, the fintech company, was up 1.87%. Square, also known as Block, was up slightly today, 1.52%. Now, that's a nice move for Block or Square to be up 1.52%, while many stocks were down today. And let's see if there was any other green in the market. I think the top stock of the day was actually a company called Aerovironment. They were up over 10% today. Aerovironment was a top performing stock. So let's just take a quick look at the stock itself, AVAV, also known as Aerovironment. Today had a great run. This is a company that does drones. They were up over 10.45% on the day. Again, Aerovironment jumping from a price about $94 up to $104 today. Aerovironment, they actually supply drones. It could be that they got a big order for a defense contract. So Aerovironment today was up at the peak over 14%. And then as the day wound it on, they were up as much as only 10% on the day. Okay, but Aerovironment, they do drones, aircraft, usually for military purposes. Aerovironment was up over 10% on the day. Okay, so that was the top stock. Now let's take a quick look at the TD account. TD account here, we were down 0.88%. And let's take a look and see which stocks were the top. I believe it was Aerovironment, but I could be wrong. Top stock of the day in this portfolio was American Tower, up 1.17%. Amazon in second place, up 1.72%. And also AVAV or Aerovironment up over 10% on the day. So those were some top performing stocks. Again, the market did start off really bad with bad news about the banks. A note out by JP Morgan about the banking crisis not being over. But again, we did have some stocks today. American Tower, which does pay a dividend, and Amazon stock was up 1.73%. And Aerovironment, that provides military industry drones. So they must have got a big major defense contracts. Okay, so Aerovironment up over 10.49%, stole the show. And let's take a look at the opportunities. I think Nvidia may have been a top stock to check out today. Nvidia was down slightly, 1.92%. So you could have picked up some Nvidia. Also, another favorite stock, CLF, Cleveland Cliffs. Uh, they produce iron and steel. And also COP, ConocoPhillips, down slightly. We know that this is a stock driven by oil, and ConocoPhillips was down after being up over 9% yesterday. They were down today just 1.93%. Okay, so 3 or 4 dividend stocks, COP, CLF, Nucor, all great opportunities. Also, if you want to get part of tech, Nvidia and Tesla were both down on the day, so you could have picked up Tesla down slightly 1% as well. So those were some underperformers. And again, when they're in the red, that's when you want to buy those stocks. Okay. But just to close, the top stock of the day was American Tower and Aerovironment, AVAV up over 10%. I'm thinking they got a huge order, probably of 4 drones, but they were up over 10.49%. And again, that was my top stock. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like and share. If you'd like to get started, please use the Robinhood link below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.